Students, hope you all are well and healthy. Here we are discussing class 7 English for summative exam 2. Some videos have already been uploaded. You might have watched them. Today we are going to start lesson 8, the story of Proserpine. But this is the outline of the story. You must have to read out the full story from the text. Okay. Now let's start. The story of Proserpine. The story of Proserpine is a mythological story. It is a mythology. But what is mythology? The mythology is the story based on the myths. Now the question may arise, what is myth? Myth is nothing but the narrative based on the mysteries of the past. So this is a mythology. This is actually a Roman mythology, but the same story is also available in Greek mythology too. Now the story. Long ago, in the island of Sicily, there lived a goddess called Ceres. She was the goddess of crops, plants and trees. Island. What is island? Island is a land portion surrounded by the water. And Sicily is an island situated near Italy. Ceres had a beautiful daughter named Proserpine. Her cheeks were beautiful like apple. Her eyes were as blue as the sky. Her long golden curls were as bright as the sunlight. Golden curls. Curls means the curly hair. Everybody said she is the spring. Everybody said she was the spring itself. Proserpine helped her mother in the fields and danced and sang with her companions. She had a lot of companions. Far down the earth, inside the earth, there lived dark Pluto, king of the land of the dead. He was very lonely, for no goddess was willing to live among the dead. One day, Pluto came to earth and driving his chariot. What is chariot? You may have seen chariot during car festivals, but this year the car festival is called off due to virus pandemic. The chariot is nothing but a wheeled wooden carriage drawn by horses and elephants. He discovered Proserpine laughing and playing with her companions. Pluto thought to make Proserpine his queen. He kidnapped Proserpine and started to drive his chariot very fast, lest Ceres, Proserpine's mother, should appear there in search of her daughter. You know, Proserpine's mother Ceres loved Proserpine very much. After some time, Pluto came to the bank of a river, full to the brim. Being not able to cross the river, he opened the ground with his scepter and plunged into the darkness. Scepter, this is a metal stick, decorated metal stick used by the kings or emperors. Just as the ground closing over her, Proserpine seized her girdle and threw it far out into the river. Just as the ground closing over her, Proserpine seized her girdle and threw it far out into the river. Girdle is a decorated belt type for waist portion used by the women. She thought that the girdle might help her mother Ceres to trace her out. Okay, so this is the story. From this story, we came to know that Proserpine was not only a beautiful girl but also and very intelligent. Now we are coming to activity 1. Today we are going to discuss only the activity 1. The remaining activities will be discussed in the later video. Activity 1. These are the answers. Okay, the underlined portion are the answers. Actually, these were blank. I have already filled these up. The question is, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the passage above. From the main text, you have to fill this up from the main text, not from the outline. A. Goddess Ceres lived in the beautiful island of Sicily. So the Ceres and Sicily, the underlined portions are the answers. B. Pluto was the king of the land of the dead. Pluto and dead are the answers. C. Everyone said that Proserpine was the spring herself. So Proserpine and spring are the answers. D. Pluto was charmed when he saw Proserpine. So charmed and Proserpine are the answers. E. Pluto struck the ground with his scepter and it opened instantly. So the scepter and opened themselves. No more today. Take care and stay healthy.